for southwestern Washington County, northern Clay County, east central Cloud County, until 4 a.m. At 3:30 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Morganville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source: Public. At approximately 2:07 a.m., a public weather station reported 67 miles per hour wind gusts 6 miles south-southwest of Clyde. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clay Center, Clyde, Clifton, Morganville, Palmer, and Vining. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4 a.m. for southwestern Washington.
Those were
northern Clay, and
unexpected.
east